everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and coming back to watch this video. So today I just have a quick video. I did just finish recording my scent and warmer of the month for December, so that should be up now, and I'm going to go ahead and record the stuff that I received from a recent flash sale. I cannot remember the name of that flash sale. I will put it here, or it will probably be in the title of this video somewhere. I will put it somewhere. This was just another one of those last minute flash sales that they did that I could not believe that they were doing another one that I got on the website, and I was shocked by some of the things that were on there. I did not go overboard because I knew that there were some warmers coming that I want, like the new Harry Potter warmer. That one's coming at some point. So I just tried to hold myself back. However, this is just the craziest thing ever because I sadly and unfortunately broke one of my warmers just recently. Like the day before this flash sale happened, I cannot even remember what day the flash sale went live, but the day before I was cleaning my room and I did something. I bumped into the table that's in my bedroom, and the warmer that I have on that table called Opulence, is that how you pronounce it? That one, it fell off of its stand and kind of like rolled across the table and broke. And it was so sad. I was devastated, honestly, because I've had that warmer for a while. It's one of my favorites for my bedroom. I keep it out year round in my bedroom, so it always stays in there. Now, it did not break completely. A whole chunk of it came off. So the dish didn't break. The dish kind of just rolled off and it was fine. But a whole chunk that's kind of in the shape of like a triangle broke off. I am going to have my husband glue it back just because I just want to see what will happen. I've never glued a warmer back together. And he's really good at gluing things back together. So I was like, let's try and see what happens. I don't even know if I should do that just because it is a warmer that heats up. But I can't throw it away when everything else about it is perfectly fine. However, I said all that to say the next day when the flash sale went live, I seen that the Opulence warmer was on there, and I just could not believe my luck because I had just like almost to tears. I don't think that I've ever really broke a warmer, knock on wood. I did the Black Jack that I had, that warmer, I did break the orange insert that's in the middle of that warmer. But other than that, I haven't had many accidents, thank goodness. But I was so sad, and then just happened to get lucky that they threw it on a flash sale. Now, it wasn't marked down that much. I was hoping that it would be marked down a little bit more than it was. It was regularly a $50 warmer, and I still had to spend the $40 for that flash sale. So that it is kind of high for a flash sale price, but I was worried that it would never be available again. So I did grab one. So that's in here, and I will show it to you. I haven't opened anything. I haven't looked at this stuff. So I am excited to get into this box here. So since I was just talking about that warmer, I dug around in there and found it. So I have it here. I am so happy that they put this one on the flash sale. I really was so sad. If I can get my other one glued back together and it still performs okay, then I don't know. I may leave it out and put this one up for the time being, just in case something ever does happen to it again. So beautiful. So if you missed the flash sale, so if you're seeing this video, these warmers are not available anymore. These items are not available anymore. I don't think they're in the clearance section or anything like that. They may come back at some point, which is why I do share these hauls and these flash sales, just because if you happen to really love the warmer, or whatever I purchased from the flash sales, usually Scentsy will bring things back every once in a while in the clearance section or another flash sale. So just keep your eyes peeled, or write it down somewhere in some notes, and like make a mental note if you ever see something that you love from either me or someone else's video. That's usually what I do, so that when I see a warmer or I see a scent in the clearance section or a flash sale, I can try to remember what that looked like or what that smelled like to some of my other consultants that I follow and that I watch. So I know in an instant whether to get it, because when a flash sale is going on, you really just don't have time to leave the website, go research whether you want it, see pictures of the warmer, or research what other people thought that it smelled like. You just don't have time for that because things just sell out so fast. So unfortunately, this is not available right now, but I don't think that it's sold out during the flash sale. Like, I don't remember it ever saying sold out. So maybe they have some left. Maybe it will come back at some point, because this is an absolutely gorgeous warmer. Like, my favorite color is purple. And so our bedroom has got, you know, lots of purples in there. So I just love this dish. I love the way this warmer looks when it's turned off. It's really kind of hard to tell here, but it's like a purple type mauve color with the gold metallic leaves. Okay, so as you can probably tell from that video, I did not have my microphone on. So I had took it off in between doing the last video that I did and this video, and it was laying on the table in front of me. So I'm hoping that it still picked up the sound, but it may have picked up some other noises. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to just start back from the beginning, but we're going to just kind of move along, and then I'll try to rewatch the beginning and see if I need to refilm this. I don't know, because this was just supposed to be a short video. I really don't have that much time. So, and Luna, she is running around here crying again. I swear, every time I get on here to record, she just has to come and cry constantly just because she wants treats. So this is the warmer. It's absolutely beautiful. It does look more like a pinkish purple when it's turned on. And like I said, when it's turned off, you know, it's got more of the mauve type purple. Absolutely beautiful. Love this warmer to death. I'm so glad that they put it in the flash sale. Like I said, it's regularly $50. I did have to spend $40 on it. I didn't want to do that, but I was just so sad about it breaking that I knew that I just had to grab it. It seemed like it was meant to be, just because they did the flash sale and put it on there. And there really wasn't that much on the flash sale, to be quite honest. There was like some bundles and stuff, but I didn't purchase any wax from this flash sale. I told myself I do not need any more wax. So I just purchased a few other things. It is beautiful. I really do love this one. If you ever see this one, especially if you see it for less than $40, I mean, it's worth the $40. I was hoping it would be less, but that's okay. It's still stunning. I love it so much. I have put a purple bulb in here before. I can't remember exactly what it looked like. It wasn't very bright at all. It was pretty dim, and I wanted a little bit more light on that table, so I did put a clear bulb back in it in my room, but it was pretty with a purple bulb. Okay, so there's that one. All right, so I'm going to move this one to the side, and I'll show you what else I got. So the next thing that I have here is another warmer that I grabbed off the flash sale. Now, originally, when I saw the flash sale, I was holding myself back. I saw the Opulence warmer on there, and I told myself that's all that I need. That's all that I was going to purchase. It really was, until I seen this and a couple more things that I'll show you in a second. But I had to have this warmer. And honestly, I contemplated on getting two, but I held myself back. I was like, no, you just need one. This is the Bright Like a Diamond warmer. Now, this was a special warmer. I remember at some point in time, I did go back through some notes. I think that it was June 2023. It was a host exclusive warmer, something like that. You had to host like a particular party that was above a certain amount to be able to receive this warmer. Something like that. I can't remember. And for some reason, I never did that. I never got this warmer, even though I think that I loved it. I don't know why I didn't get it. But anyway, so when I seen it available, I was like, oh, yes, we're grabbing it. So it was regularly $50, and it was on the flash sale for the $35. And I don't know what it's going to look like turned on, but it's absolutely stunning from the pictures. So here is the box. Now, this dish is another one of these larger type dish, and it's definitely dusty, so ignore the dust. I might have to clean this. It looks dirty. But it's definitely a wider, kind of shallow, but wider dish. I love when they do dishes like this, and it does have a number 4. So that makes me love this even more. Oh my gosh. I love this warmer. Did we need another warmer? No, we didn't. Did we get another warmer? Yes, we did. This is beautiful. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely stunning. Okay. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I don't like glitter, but I just don't like glitter to get on me. I absolutely love sparkly things like this, and this is absolutely beautiful. Wow, it's not like coming off. I'm sure that if you like scratched at it, these little pieces would come off, but they're like blue, green, and gold. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful. Wow. I don't even remember seeing many people talk about this warmer. Like my notes say June of 2023. I really don't even remember. I don't know where I was at and how I missed out on this warmer, but apparently I did. Okay. Okay. All right. So it doesn't, so when it's on, you really can't see the colors as much. You can still tell it looks a little sparkly. Like if it's in the light, like you can see the color still, but if you're kind of in the dark, you know, it just kind of looks dark. It looks black. It looks sparkly. You can kind of see the blue a little bit, but it's definitely prettier when it's turned off, in my opinion. But it's still pretty. I still love it. I'm definitely still going to put this warmer out. This is absolutely stunning. I don't know that I will put it out now for the holidays. I feel like this is going to be one I put out more around summer. It is so pretty. Wow. So I don't know how it's going to perform. It is a 25 watt, so I feel like it's going to be a good performer, but we'll have to see. If you're someone that purchased this back when it was a host exclusive or anything like that, let me know if you love it. I'm probably going to kick myself for not getting 2 of them. But, you know, if it ever goes back in the clearance section again, maybe I can grab another one and it'll be discounted a little bit more. Wow, that got hot really quick. I really do feel like this one's going to be a good little performer. All right, so for the last thing that I have here, it was something that I was not expecting to be on the flash sale. I was super excited to see it. I probably should have grabbed more, but I didn't. So they had the Ocean washer whiffs in this flash sale. So if you've watched any of my other videos, then you know I am absolutely obsessed with Ocean. It is my all-time favorite scent of all time from Scentsy. I love it so much. It is my favorite scent in the washer whiffs that Scentsy has ever made. It's the best performer in my opinion. The Scentsy Clean scent is a little bit stronger and I think does better, but I just don't like that scent as much as the Ocean. So when I seen this, I grabbed 5. Probably should have grabbed more, but I do think a friend of mine is going to take a couple of these because she loves this scent as much as I do. And I don't know. If you don't know what washer whiffs are, they're just basically a scent booster for your wash machine. It's not to clean your clothes or anything like that. It's just to add fragrance, and they are amazing. I love them so much. The Ocean scent is mine and my husband's favorite because it's not girly. He loves it. It smells clean. It smells soapy. Definitely smells, you know, aquatic. It's just amazing. I'll show you what they look like here. So they're just like that. You just throw them in the wash machine. I usually just do a scoop for an extra large load. They smell like heaven. I'm telling you. Oh, Ocean is the best. It is the best. I'll stand by that. I just love Ocean so much. I still have a few tubs of Ocean washer whiffs in my stash. The Ocean washer whiffs, if you ever see these again, I really hope that they hit clearance again at some point so that I can grab a couple more. I do have the 2 tubs in my stash, like I said, and I've just been trying to save them. I mostly use them on my husband's clothes just because there's really not that many scents that he likes in the washer whiffs right now that doesn't smell too feminine. I wish that, you know, they would make some manly type scents, more manly for things like that for his clothes, because he doesn't really like the feminine type clothes. He does like Scentsy Clean. He likes that one, but Ocean has been the best for both of us that I've found. So love it so much. It's amazing. So it was on sale for $7.20. They're regularly $12 for the little thing here. This will last me quite a while, like I said, because I can use up some of the other scents that I have, but mostly for blankets, towels, and his type of clothes. I do love using these for that. And I have plenty of other washer whiffs that I do need to use up. But I had to grab those. That was such a good deal and just the absolute best scent. I wish Scentsy would bring Ocean back and everything. All the things, bring it back. We need it. We need it in the washer whiffs. We need it in everything. Everything. For sure. Or at least come up with another scent in washer whiffs that is, you know, not really masculine, but not feminine, just something that smells clean and soapy and maybe a little watery. I would definitely be a fan. Okay, so I think that's it. That's all that I grabbed from that flash sale. I just wanted to share that with you and tell you how excited I was to get those warmers and to get this. So I know that I haven't posted a lot. I'm really trying now that I have my Christmas decorations up, and that was a whole process, getting all the fall stuff down, getting the Christmas stuff up. I will try to record some more videos this week and get those up for you as soon as I can, working with my internet here. But I will try to get my worm reviews up for my scents of the season. I've been warming those, so I do have that. I just need to do the video, and I will get that up as soon as I can. I also have my Scentsy Club that has shipped. It is coming. So as soon as that gets here, I will be able to go over the November whiff box with you, as well as go over the bars. And I cut a pretty good bit from my club, so I will have to go over that. I definitely think I'm going to regret some of those decisions I made, but we'll just have to wait and see. So I would love to know what you guys got from the flash sale. Definitely let me know down below what you guys grabbed, what you were so excited to see on there, just like I was excited for this stuff. What was your favorite things on the flash sale? So definitely let me know down below, and I really do appreciate all of you watching the video today, and I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful day. I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.